Namaste everyone. Welcome to Adventures. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, I'm Shruti and I talk about products which are related to makeup, skincare and health. And my channel is not just confined for women. I talk about products which are related to men as well. Yeah. So ever since this year has started, the only thing which we are hearing is coronavirus. And when this started in Wuhan, China, little did I realize that this is going to affect us in the worst possible way. Like there are over 30,000 cases here in India, and in Delhi there are like 3,000 cases. Some of my friends were saying that this is not the real data. The real data is much more than the figures, but I don't know. This is something which I just heard, and I'm just telling you. Okay, so as the only thing which is revolving around our eyes right now is sanitizers. Yeah, so I have with me two types of sanitizers. This one is the Lifebuoy sanitizer, and this is in the form of gel, and I have this one more. This is the OxyVeda hand sanitizer, and this is in the form of liquid, and it's as a spray bottle. So this is from the giant company Lifebuoy, and they claim to kill 99.99% germs, so that itself is a relief. And this one, I never heard about this brand OxyVeda, but I really purchased this because this is in the form of spray, and it is very easy to use a spray bottle to disinfect your mobile screens, your laptops, your doorknobs and everything, because this is a little bit difficult to maneuver on hard surfaces. This is best for hands, I guess, this kind of sanitizer, gel based. Okay, so this Lifebuoy one retails for 290 rupees, and this is 500 ml in quantity, and this one retails for I think 125 rupees, and this is 250 ml in quantity. Okay, these two products are available online, and I'll put the link down below if you want to purchase this. Now I'll show you how to apply hand sanitizer. If you know how to apply hand sanitizer, you can just exit this video right now, but I'll show you how to use this one. Okay, first of all, you have to take a coin sized amount on your hands, this much, you can see. Oops. Now you have to rub your like this and like this. Till this gets absorbed fully. Now my hands are fully absorbed. I cannot feel even a bit of hand sanitizer on my fingers. This is how you're supposed to use this. The fragrance is not that bad. I don't know why this smells like lychee. I don't know why. Yeah, this smells like lychee, which is very weird in itself. Like I'm feeling very awkward while telling this, but yeah. And this keeps my hands very soft. This Lifebuoy one, this keeps my hands very soft because I think this has aloe vera gel as well. This has extract of aloe vera that keeps my hands really fresh. And as far as this one is concerned, this is in the spray form. Once I open it like this, now this is opened, and how I can use this, like I have this very small phone which I use. This is a very basic phone which I use, and I love this phone a lot. And how I use it, like I just spray it on this equipment, and I use a tissue and I just wipe it. Like this. This is how I use this one on objects. Yeah. So that was it. These are the two sanitizers which I talked about, and each one is good in its own way, and the result of sanitizer cannot be seen with the naked eye. This is something which you'll know in the long run whether the sanitizer was effective or not. Sanitizers cannot be used on visibly dirty, greasy hands. Your hands have to be clean before using a sanitizer. Like it should be visibly clean. Or if your hands are dirty, I would suggest you to wash your hands with soap and water. That will be the best way. For eating something, it is very important to disinfect your hands. And yeah, so that was it. As I said, these two products are available online. I'll put the link down below if you want to buy any of these, you can buy. And anyways, I'll see you guys next time with another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you.